All right, so we are going to overlap two parabolic curves on this one. We've already seen how to make the parabolic curves. We are now going to overlap them. And this is where I do like having the clear plastic ruler for this. Once again, it's not necessary, it's not mandatory, but I do like it a lot better. So once again, I'm going to start off with a simpler parabolic curve just to show you how this is done. I'm going to keep it at the 4 inches, just like I was doing in the other previous videos. I'm going to make my line. I am using pen. Now you can do this in pencil, but I think it's going to be advantageous for you to use pen. I'll show you why in a few moments. It may make sense. You may want to try it in pen. So I'm going to make my right angle 4 inches, 4 inches, all right? I will make my marks every 1/4 inch, just like before. So everything's exactly the same. I'll make my 1/4 inch marks at the bottom as well. All the way down to 4. All right. Now I'm going to connect the outermost dot to the innermost dot, just like before. Notice I'm still using that, I'm still using my pen as a pivot. All right. Now I made this one in pen, but I'm going to show you something a little bit different. We already know how to make this one. We've shown it before. Hopefully you've practiced making this one. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another parabolic curve overlap. So I'm just going to go off to the side, and I'm going to put it like dead center right here, my ruler. And I'm going to overlap it. Now we're going to have the 4 inches just like before. When we do this, the first parabolic curve that we make is going to be on top. We're always going to go back into the background with this. So I'm going to eyeball it right about there. I'm going to be drawing my line. Now watch. Please be careful. I'm going to start off, come on down. Once I hit this parabolic curve with my line, I drew my line, I pick up my pen, and I move it to the other side, and I finish it off. I do not draw through it. I now come down, line it up the best I can, trying to give myself a really nice 90-degree angle, a nice right corner. And I got 4 inches and 4 inches. Notice I did not draw through that parabolic curve. Now I need to make my marks. I am now going to use my marks with pencil. Reason why is I can erase my marks if I make a mistake, but it will be easy to see And since I have pen here, I can make my marks going through this and erase it later. I'm making my marks. Pay attention to making sure it's at every 1/4 inch. You notice I made these marks are made with pencil. Now I go up the side. I do the exact same thing. And I alternate now between pencil and pen the entire time. Because I don't want to see the marks like I did before. And this gives me a cleaner product by using pencil and pen. Now watch how I do this. Outermost dot to innermost dot, just like before. To the 2. Like how that one turned out right there. Now look at this. This is starting to go into the other parabolic curve, but I stop. I don't want to draw through the parabolic curve. That's the big thing. That's all it is. You don't want to draw through it, but you need those dots in there so you have the correct proportion. And now watch what I do. I'm going to draw down to it, pick up my pen, continue on the opposite side. Draw through it, pick up my pen, go through it on the opposite side. Taking my time, paying attention to what I'm doing. And there we have 2 overlapping parabolic curves. This one still looks 3-dimensional because my lines did not draw through it. This is now where we come into doing our checkerboard again. We'll checkerboard both of these. Now only the corners can touch. When we get to this one, of course, it's going to be different because I'll start off maybe in the corner with my checkerboard. And I will continue to do this on this parabolic curve. So it's not going to, this parabolic curve, the checkerboard is not going to match the checkerboard on this one. All right. And we just do this through the entire piece, the checkerboard, the entire thing in.